think that like the journey is like so powerful for people, like, because it is hard when you're on the fence.
I took the big challenge. I took the big step. My major issue was finance. I needed money. Like I said, we were retired. All my income streams were gone. Then the new report came out, and that's when everything has started really to go well for me. All my remedies are in place, and I don't know, everything right now is perfect in my life. It really is. We sold the ranch. I've got income. I paid off the house in Kentucky, no debt there, paid off credit cards, and now we're just living life happily. And it's so nice. No worries.
Hi, everybody. It is Patricia here, and I am joined with Francie. Any guess where Francie is? I love your backdrop, Francie. Welcome, and tell us exactly where you are in case people can't guess.
I'm in California, right about in the center of the state. We're about 2 hours from San Francisco, 2 hours from Yosemite, 2 hours from the beach. What else? 2 hours from Tahoe. We're in kind of a rural area. It's beautiful.
Oh my God, amazing, amazing. And Francie, thank you so much for joining us. This is, I just love this. And I love hearing, because I've seen you so much in the group and sharing your wins. And I just love your post. I was like, I just love my house. So I'm so happy. But let's just go back to when you first decided to join, because I know it was like a big decision for you to join the program. So do you want to, tell me what was going on for you?
Sure. There had been a lot of issues. We have a home in Kentucky as well. And to make ends meet, now that we're both retired, I decided to use our house as an Airbnb. And it was the best decision I ever made. However, there were homeowner association people that didn't think it was so great. And so that had to close down. So that was a stream of income gone. Then I had a renter in the house, my childhood house that I grew up in, who was horrible, and we had to kick them out. So we decided just to sell the property. Well, I had my mom and dad's things. They were both 90 when they passed. I had everything from them, all my stuff, because I'd been divorced, my daughter's stuff, who is gone now. And I had to have a huge, huge estate sale. It was very emotional, draining, overwhelming. I mean, it was just like everything was coming down around me. And I think right before that, you had started your different challenges and what is Feng Shui. I've always loved Feng Shui anyway. I've always. And, but I didn't know enough about it. So after all, the estate sale and all of that, I listened to your program, your, I don't know what you call it, your
trainings. Yeah.
Training. Well, I hadn't joined yet, but all the free trainings. And I'm like, I really want to do that. And of course we got to the price and I'm like, I can't do that. There's no way. And then I think I said something to you and you said, not you personally, but just posted it. It was like, I need a sign. I need a sign, something obscure that if it's really meant to be, it'll show up. And so I said a unicorn. I'm like, that is not going to just pop up here, Well, it was like the day before. I know, I didn't see that though. But
no, I didn't have this here. Yeah, I know.
No. And so I think it was the day before the deadline. And I went shopping or something, and I'll be darned, there's a unicorn. Okay, I guess it's meant to be. And so I found the money. I got to do your payment plan, which was wonderful. And then, so that's how I started. Do you want me to go further?
Go ahead, because I think that like the journey is like so powerful for people, like, because it is hard when you're on the fence. So I'd love to hear. Go ahead.
Okay. I don't want to bore you, but
Oh,
okay.
this
So
is
anyway,
fun for me.
I took the big challenge. I took the big step, and I'm like, okay. So I think the first, I can't remember all the first things because it's been a year, and there were things that you had to do, send into you for your team, to do the house plan. And so I did all that, took all the pictures and sent it into you, and anxious, hurry up and get here so I can get this ball rolling. Because my major issue was finance. I needed money. Like I said, we were retired. All my income streams were gone. So I finally got the report back, and I started putting in the remedies. Of course, my husband's like, what are you doing with all that stuff? I'm like, just bear with me. And so the first year, because it was only like, what, 3 months, 4 months left, it was okay, but it was really hard for me to get all the metal that I needed. I mean, I was scrounging everywhere. And in selling the property, we found all kinds of metal things because my dad had them out at the ranch. So then the new report came out, and that's when everything has started really to go well for me. All my remedies are in place. I have the salt cures in the right places. The only thing I haven't done is the well face. I haven't done that. And the decluttering, oh my Lord, yes, I have decluttered and thrown away and donated. And I don't know, everything right now is perfect in my life. It really is. We sold the ranch. I've got income. I paid off the house in Kentucky, no debt there, paid off credit cards, and now we're just living life happily. And it's so nice. No worries. I used to have just a horrible weight on my shoulder. It's like, what am I going to, and I couldn't sleep. And then other things have happened since all that. Through you, I do believe I've been introduced to Lisa Johnson.
Yes.
And I thought, I could definitely use some income, passive income. So I took her course, and I'm in the process now of doing that, and it's going pretty well. So everything is going great. I have no complaints. My son and I are getting along better than we ever have. My partner and I have the best friends in the world. I mean, everything is good. And every morning I wake up and thank the universe for all I have and for another beautiful day. And I just live my life with gratitude now.
Oh my God, I love it. I'm so because I remember seeing some of your posts and your messages and all this stuff around trying to sell the house and it was just a lot of drama. Like it just felt like a lot of drama. And just hearing you being like, I just wake up and we're all happy and we're grateful. And oh, it's just so beautiful. I'm so, so happy for you.
Thank you. Well, I'm grateful for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming and sharing your story and for just sharing with this, because that's what this is about. Like life is supposed to be beautiful and enjoyable and easy and abundant.
Yep.
So I'm just so pleased. Francie, did you ever kind of think that this could have been possible? Like when you were signing up for the PowerHouse, like when was that the kind of, what was your intention,
Well, I'm a Libra, and everything's about balance with me anyway. And I was just way out of kilter. And so like I said, I've always followed Feng Shui. And I knew that if I took a deeper course, I learned more about it, and I have. And, the colors I'm supposed to wear, where I'm supposed to sit, all those little things. I mean, there's just so many things that I have learned through you. Before, it was just kind of moving things around, like you say, but that's not it. It's not it. And I hoped that I would be where I am now. So yeah, I'm not sorry.
You know what? And that's so amazing, because like one of the things I often say is just like, just put it out there that you're going to be like the next success story, like the next person that's like doing this. Like, because I know I'm just like, who are posting the wins and sharing the things or showing up going, I love my house. And I'm like you've like when you're signing up or joining PowerHouse, I'm like, just put it into your intentions. Like, I'm going to be her next biggest success story. I can be bigger than that, like more, or not even bigger, just, you know, to have that energy of just like ease and flow. Like, amazing. I'm just so beautiful. So beautiful. And you know definitely what it's like to be sitting on the fence. Like, I know you totally do. Because it was like, no, and I can feel the energy with people. So what would you say to people who are sitting on the fence? Like, because you know it's painful there.
It is painful. And like I said, it was very painful, but okay, the amount of money that it was seemed overwhelming. However, when it was chopped up into 12 pieces, okay, say that's a couple of tanks of gas. Stay home and declutter your house, you know, instead of driving around. It was worth it to me. It really was. It was, you know, I saw people saying the same thing to you when I was on the fence, and I was like, yeah, all right, whatever. But it's worth it. And I even told my partner that I go, haven't you noticed how everything is nice now? We don't have any worries about anything. Everything's flowing. And because he kind of thought it was hocus pocus. And I'm like, well, it's not. I've always followed Feng Shui and signs and all that good stuff. And I'm not sorry one bit that I did it. So I would go for it. If you are serious and you need balance in your life, because basically that's how I feel it is, then I would go for it.
Oh, amazing. Thank you so much for sharing. I'm so happy. I can't wait to hear what comes in a few years' time when you come back and be like, and I did that course and then I'm here.
Yeah. Well, I told Lisa, I said, I'm going to be your next success story. I didn't think about it. I didn't think about telling you that. I wanted all the things that you taught me, and it's like, I'm good. I'm all good.
Like, that's it. And you know, that is just like listening to you. I know from what you're saying, I know exactly, you've done everything, and that's the big thing. It's like you just dived right in. It's like, if you're gonna do it, like, you can do the payment plan, get started, get your remedies, and start getting all the information and start doing it. And the changes do happen, like they really do. And it's an investment for you, for your family.
It is. It truly is. Yeah. No argument for me. Absolutely.
Thank you so much for coming on and joining me and sharing. I'm so delighted for you. And this is just a joy. This is like my favorite part, is getting to talk to everybody. We're like, oh my God, what happened? What happened? Tell me the next success. So I'm delighted for you. And you know, what's so fun is doing these like fun sessions here in this group, because loads of the members come and do them as well, just for refreshers. And you know, I used to always say, like, but this is all in the course. Like, this, you have all of this. And they're like, no, I like just being part of it. And you know, so it's like a great, lovely community, because you just said it, Francie, about the idea of like waking up with a grateful heart and having all this amazingness in our lives, and truly connecting with that is so important. Francie, have a great day. Thank you so much for coming up. Thank you for being a success story and taking all the information and doing it and following through, and you totally deserve it. So have a great day, and I can't wait to have you on again now in a few years for all the space next year afterwards. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye.